Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleaming?
Which was one of the bloodiest and hardest fought battles in Iraq. A Marine who not only served 4 tours in Iraq, but is returning for his 5th tour in Afghanistan. Ladies and gentlemen, would you give a welcome to United States Marine Sergeant Sniper Doug Brown.
Zerati! Zero!
It is the bunt and pentagrams, I think is who it was. They are the champions on the night. You know what? These guys are vying for world title. We get ready. Brock Andrus is a man you met a while ago in our opening ceremonies. I told you